Good morning. Good morning, Cookie. It's time to get ready. She is a couch potato and she doesn't like to leave home at all. Whenever we pack our bags, she knows we're gonna go somewhere and she starts having this panic attack. Look at her face. Taking me along, baby. Right. So a couple of things that I forgot to mention was pee pads. Okay, very important. I always carry pee pads along with me and her own bowl because she doesn't like to eat from any other container. So this is the AC first class coupe. There's only 2 seats. Normally there are 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, but this one has only 2 seats, and this is specially booked for Cookie. And as soon as we entered, she peed, so that is the reason why we should always carry pee pad. Yeah, Cookie? Cookie has a problem. This is not your home. You can't bark at people. You can't bark at people who are passing by, baby. Cookie? Hi guys, so finally we are inside the train and it was very hectic, very hectic. As soon as I reached, I had to go to the parcel office to get Cookie's tickets. For her, we have to make a separate slip, a sort of ticket from the parcel office. So always remember, when you come with a dog, go to the parcel office, because last time we did not get it and we were charged. The first thing you should do is get tickets from parcel office, because if you don't get your tickets, I mean if you don't make that slip for your dog, you can be fined for that, because last time we couldn't do it because we reached late and we were fined 5,000 rupees. So the first thing that we did this time was we went to the parcel office and made that slip. Hi guys, so I just woke up. The journey was extremely exhausting, and something very terrifying happened right now. So as you can see, Cookie, she I just woke up and I was washing my face, and from the back door she just went out, and there were two large size cats which are bigger than her. Okay, and they were about to attack her. These are the disadvantage of having a mini pom, because they are so small, they cannot defend themselves. And even a medium sized cat is bigger than Cookie. And actually Cookie is waiting for mom. Mom is out to get some groceries and she's waiting for her right there. I don't think so she's gonna move from there until she comes back. And probably that's why she was searching for mom and she took off from the back door. And unfortunately I was not aware that the door was opened. This is terrifying. It was terrifying. I don't know what if she ran out on the road. My god. Okay, I would just like to quickly mention that, as soon as we left for the station, mom suddenly realized that we forgot to carry our pet book. So we had to go back. Thankfully, we were not that far, and we could come back, and we carried the book along with us after that. It is very important to carry your pet book, which is issued by an authentic vet, because it consists of all the vaccination records and deworming records and her weight, etc., etc. So I think whether it's important or not, whether somebody asks you for it or not, you should always carry your dog's pet book along with you if you're going out with your pet. So that's a quick mention, just don't forget that.